good, man? Welcome back to the channel. We got some good news today, man. We just not getting off work, man. Headed to the house in traffic. Highway crazy, so I'm trying to focus on that. But we got some news today, man. We got some packages delivered today we've been waiting on, so definitely trying to get to the house, show y'all that. We got the sub set up, and we just get out, unbox when we get to the house, get it installed. Also, man, we got the seat covers came in today from LC, so we're gonna get those in, out, unbox, lay them out, see if they match up. Because if they match up, we're gonna try to install them. If not, they're going back. Cause nah, man, I need my money back. They ain't the same color. We're gonna get that money back, but we're supposed to get to the house and just check these packages out, unbox them for y'all, and then I think today, man, we're gonna drop the video installing the sub, so we'll let y'all see that. Of course, the car don't run, but we're gonna get the subs installed and throw a jump box on or something, see how it sound with the new setup in there. And then I should be dropping a video tomorrow on the seats if I can get them out and get them laid out and get them stretched a little bit so we can get them put on. Chill right now. Had to pick up my daughter, and then we're gonna meet y'all at the house and cut y'all back on when we get there. We're here, man. Package arrived. Got the skar set up. We still waiting on my seat covers. I ain't even hit the poach yet, but man, we're gonna bust this box open and we're gonna see what's in here. See if something. I ain't got no knife, so y'all gonna have to bear with me. I ain't got no knife. And I ain't got no cameraman. We doing this all on our own. We just gonna bust this box open, see what's in here. Man, the crazy thing about this package, they delivered it to my old house. Luckily, the dude had called my cell phone number and he asked me, and I answered, you know, where I was at, you know, and if I was at home or not, but, you know, but for sure. So, of course, they put a box inside the box. They gave us the, it say premium wiring kit that come with it. We got that. And this amp say 1200 watts. What? I don't even know. So I'm trying to think of which one I got. If that's the case, I may just run a new power wire and keep my kicker amp. If that's gonna be the case, because if that's 12, I don't know if my kickers. I think my kicker amp is 800. So yeah, we're gonna hook up the skar with the new wires. But anyway, I'm gonna get these all out the box and cut y'all back on when I get it out the box. We got that thing unboxed, man. I don't know. We gonna see. I don't know if these is 10s or 12s. They supposed to be 12s, but I don't know. They don't look like 12s, but they say they're 12, so we're gonna run everything, hook everything up, put it in the trunk. We gotta get the old setup off, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this power wire out for the old setup, run it all the way through here. So I'm gonna have to pull out the seats again, and we're gonna run that through the trunk. Because right now, let me grab my keys. My kids in here. Boy, what are you doing? We don't ever have teenage boys, but back to what I was saying, I gotta pull all these wires out. These old wires. Now I gotta get a bunch of stuff done to it, so I'm gonna pull out, brought some little tools from work. I'm gonna let y'all know, man, if it's just me or is that everybody, when you're a mechanic, man, you got probably $20,000 worth of tools at work and none at home. So that's the situation I'm in. We're gonna be trying to put this together with a screwdriver and a set of wire pliers. Cause I really ain't got no tools, but man, I thought that was my seat, my seat package coming in, but it ain't here yet. So yeah, let me get this stripped down. We're gonna try to get these seats out of here so I can run this new power wire, disconnect it from the battery, get it ran. And I gotta run a remote wire because I didn't have one with my kicker set up, because that kicker amp don't require a remote wire. I'm saying, watching that Life of J. Malcolm, you know, big supporter, country boy just like me who love this car thing, so I'm gonna keep supporting J. Malcolm. Y'all subscribe to Life of J. Malcolm too. He got some good little gems on there. But yeah, let me get all this right here unbox, and we're gonna start running all the wires, and I'm gonna show y'all once I get it all ran what we did, and we're gonna hook it back up and see how it sounds. So we got everything unboxed, hooked up. You see I ran this power wire across here just like the old setup. I didn't replace the RCA jacks because the old setup already had RCA jacks, but man, I'm gonna give y'all a little hit of this SCAR. I gotta put my jump box on here because I can't fire this thing up because it still ain't got a manifold on it. But come on, let me see if I can get this hooked up. I'm gonna tell y'all, when I tell y'all this thing absolutely beats, I tell you, my neighbors, they ain't gonna like me too much longer because this thing, when I tell you this thing here, flat out beats. I'm gonna give y'all just a little sample of it when we get. So right now I'm on my son's phone because my DSLR ain't acting right, so I gotta use my phone for Bluetooth. But let me give y'all a little taste of the music. And when I tell you, I'm gonna have to get out of here because I ain't trying to get copyrighted. But listen to this thing right here. And we dynamated the whole trunk, everything dynamated. When I need the wire. We even got a little bit of flex, but not too much. Y'all just I mean, it's like we got. I don't know if we can get it in the video, but if we can get it when it kick on, definitely gotta get that fixed. Just cutting my lights out. I think I went, my battery done jumped off on me. Yeah, it's hitting so hard. I think I'm gonna have to get something to figure it out because it keep. Yeah, see, it's hitting so hard, it's cutting the radio off. But I think it's because I'm just running off straight battery and I'm not able to charge it. So I have to get that fixed. And another video. Yeah, that's my car. Yep. We ain't try to give y'all a little hit of what's going on with this thing, but man, it killed my jump box, like I said, because I can't run it. Camera, leave the door alone. I can't run it with the this fired up running because I swear all the neighbors will hate me by then, but I'm sure they hate me now with this loud radio. But oh well, I pay my taxes. But anywho, we're trying to get that situated. I'll give y'all a full, video of that once I get it situated back together when that manifold come in, whenever that might be. But it ain't showed up yet. Camera, don't mess with doors. But yeah, we got it. Everything installed. If anybody, I'm telling y'all, SCAR audio, I cannot believe how this thing beats. This thing absolutely quakes. So I'm gonna have to, I got it hooked up, but I'm gonna take it somewhere and see if they can do something with the capacity on it or something, like maybe hook a big capacitor in there. Cause I mean, it's hitting so hard, I don't think I'll be able to drive it at night without it just dimming my lights way too much. So I'm gonna try to do that. Or I might upgrade my alternator to kind of do that, cause I got the yellow top, or I may run a second battery setup in it just to kind of see, cause it's sucking a lot of juice right now. But yeah, that was another video, man, installing that SCAR equipment in there. We got the LC covers in. I gotta unbox those, see if they match my factory seats, and if they do, then we're gonna start stripping those apart and getting those done. But anyway, man, thank y'all for checking in again with another update, man. This thing coming along slowly but surely, and we're gonna check back in with y'all in the next video.